In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok Ads Manager to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store linked to TikTok so you can run campaigns and track performance right from your shop. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify account and sign in to your store's admin. You'll want to do this from a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Make sure you have the right permissions. If you're a staff member, you'll need admin access to ad apps. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. This is where you manage and add integrations that work with your store. Click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store if it doesn't appear automatically. In the search bar at the top, type TikTok. You're looking for the official TikTok app that integrates with Shopify to connect your ads and tracking. Check that it's the verified listing and review the description so you know what permissions it needs and what features it offers. This helps you understand how data will flow between Shopify and TikTok. Next, click the TikTok Ads option from the results to open the apps page. Here, you can glance through the overview and the permissions one more time. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may show a short list of permissions. Review and confirm to proceed. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the connection. The setup wizard is designed to guide you step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Shopify and TikTok, and then select the correct TikTok business assets you want to use, such as your ad account and pixel. If you manage multiple ad accounts or stores, take a moment to choose the ones that match this Shopify store. Keep your browser pop-ups enabled during this process, since some authorization screens may open in a new window. If the prompts ask you to review data sharing or tracking settings, choose the level that aligns with your business needs and local regulations. When the setup completes, you should see a confirmation inside Shopify that the TikTok app is installed and connected. If anything doesn't load, refresh the page, make sure you're logged into the correct accounts, and try again. That's it. You've connected TikTok Ads Manager to Shopify. From here, you can use the TikTok app inside Shopify to manage your connection and ensure tracking and ads run as expected. Thanks for watching and happy selling.